and welcome back to the Schmitty750 YouTube channel. Today we're going to try and replace these work lights on the tractor. And they have a mount that looks like this. I don't know, it might be a little hard to see. And instead of buying the Kubota ones, we just bought some of these pods off of Amazon. It's this light, just a little, like a 4-inch pod. And then it has some mounts on the back of it here, and then it comes with some mounts in a little bag and all of your hardware. So we're just gonna get started pulling off these work lights and seeing if I can make the mount that's on there work, and if not, if I can take that mount off of there and get the mount that comes with the light to work. And by the way, this is on the MX6000. It's a 2022 MX6000 cab. So this is what the mount looks like. So if I can't get it to fit in here, then what I'll do is I'll just pull this bolt out. This little bracket has a nut underneath here welded to it, and then it's just got this little connector here, so I'll utilize this same connector. So I'll cut the wires probably right about here, and then I'll splice this wire onto the new light, as long as I can get it to mount, as long as we can make sure it mounts. And it's just a little bolt with a 10mm head and a nut with a 10mm nut as well. So this mount hangs off of the tractor just like this, and we're gonna get this mount and stick it on there like here, like this. And I'm just gonna get the welder and put a couple tacks here and a little tack there, and then we'll just call it good. Alright, that's ugly as hell, but it should hold. Man, who has welded that? My goodness. Somebody needs to practice. So now we got both sets of lights off and just the little connector hanging free. And we got one of the new brackets welded up and painted. And as soon as this one's done cooling, we'll paint it. This is the old light that came off of there. And we'll just cut this little connector here and splice it into our new light. So now we just take this outer cover off the wires and we'll cut these wires. too pretty, but Put some electrical tape on these wires just for a little bit protection from sticks and whatever else can hang up on them. They will be kind of wrapped up and then tie wrapped with some zip ties to keep everything tucked away so the branches don't hang up on it. Alright, and there we have the final product. All the wires are all tucked up behind the lights, so hopefully no branches or twigs can grab a hold of them. And I gotta say, it looks much cleaner than the factory lights. So wait till it gets dark and then see how much better they are, if any, than the factory lights. It's kind of hard to tell on camera, but they definitely work better, and they look better too. Okay, well there you have it for the light install, work light install for the MX6000 Kubota. Thanks for watching. Bye.